Good morning, all. I'm Dr. Gayathri NS, working as Assistant Professor of Chemistry in SNS College of Engineering. Today, we're going to see about the continuation of electrochemistry of reference electrodes, the standard reference electrodes and the secondary reference electrode. Let's move on to the topic reference electrode. Reference electrodes. An electrode of known potential is called as reference electrode. The potential is known of the electrode is that known electrode, that is reference electrode. We have taken that known potential electrode is a reference, and unknown electrode is a sample electrode. So the electrode of known potential is called as reference electrode. The hydrogen electrode is the earliest primary reference electrode. The first primarily reference electrode we have taken for the that is hydrogen electrode. First we have taken the hydrogen electrode as the primary reference electrode. The secondary electrode, nowadays we are using the calomel electrode as the main electrode using nowadays for reference electrodes. An electrode of known potential is called as reference electrode. That is, a known potential of electrode is called as reference. We have taken that as reference for determining the unknown one. That electrode is called as reference electrode. The first electrode we have used for reference electrode is hydrogen electrode. So that it is called as primary reference electrode. In the earliest we are using hydrogen electrode as the reference electrode. But nowadays we are using a calomel electrode and quinhydron electrode. But most primarily we are using calomel electrode for the reference one. And these two is commonly called as secondary reference electrode. First we are going to see about a calomel electrode. The types of electrode we going to see, that is primary and secondary reference electrode. The primary electrode we have already said that the hydrogen electrode, standard hydrogen electrode, that is commonly called as She. Standard hydrogen electrode. It is the primary reference electrode. The EMF of such cell is being fixed as 0. So its potential is 0. So it can be taken as reference. For that purpose, it is the primary one used as a reference electrode. Its construction is based on the platinum electrode, which is coated with a platinum black, and this electrode is dipped in the 1 m solution of hydrogen plus ions, that is HCl. Most probably for H plus ions is HCl only, and this solution is maintained at 25 degrees Celsius. A small platinum electrode is coated with platinum. It is dipped in the 1 m of HCl solution, and this setup is maintained at 25 degrees Celsius. Next, the hydrogen gas is with 1 atmosphere pressure enters the gas and the bubbles over the platinum electrode. The hydrogen gas at the platinum electrode passes into the solution, forming H plus ion and electrons. That is, H2 gives 2H plus the 2 electron. At anode condition, it takes place. The main thing in the standard hydrogen electrode is hydrogen gas should be passed through. While reaction happens, the hydrogen gas should be passing through from one end. And these are the setup. See, in the left side, the hydrogen gas, the excess hydrogen gas goes out, and the right side, the hydrogen gas is entered into the outer shell. The platinum electrode, the straight line from the head to top is platinum wire, and the platinum foil is at the end of the electrode. It is dipped in the 1 m HCl. The solution, this setup is maintained at 25 degree atmosphere pressure and 25 degrees Celsius. The conversion of standard electrode potential of hydrogen electrode, when the hydrogen gas passed out, 1 atmosphere pressure is bubbled through a solution of hydrogen ions of unit concentration, is arbitrarily fixed as 0. That is, the potential is set to be 0, so it can be taken as reference electrode. So that we can detect the unknown electrode potential. by using this Nernst equation formula. In that a best specific example for that, zinc electrode potential can be calculated through Nernst equation with a hydrogen electrode gas. And the hydrogen electrode potential is said to be 0. We already know, that's why it is reference electrode, and we can calculate the copper as a cathode. So copper potential is calculated. Thank you all.